Hi, I'm doing this by video because I don't expect to have a microwave oven there at Wild Goose Festival. And so I've taken this vessel, it's a decanter of some kind or a vase, or I'm not actually sure. It was in the closet, so I grabbed it. And I filled it, and I chose this because it has this nice big volume, but then a narrow neck that the whatever's in there rises into. And I chose this because it will really help accentuate the phenomenon I'm trying to demonstrate, which is the thermal expansion of water. How water, like everything else in the world, expands as its temperature goes up. So what I'm going to do is set it on a flat surface here, and I just took water straight out of the tap. It's about 75 degrees today, so this water's probably just about 75 degrees. I'm going to take a fine pointed Sharpie and I'm going to make a little mark just at the bottom of the meniscus. Because the video camera probably can't focus on that, I'm going to grab my camera and just take a picture which we can add to the video. Alright, and then I'm just going to put this thing in the microwave and let it run for a little while, let's say a minute, which isn't going to heat it up by much, but some, and we'll see if the water level goes up. Oh, the anticipation. 40 seconds left. I feel like we should have a Jeopardy theme song or something going on here. Or maybe the Twilight Zone. Jaws? Dun 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 dun. Well, 15 seconds left. Maybe we'll fast forward through this. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see what we have. I can feel that the water here in the neck of it is warmer, but the bottom still feels pretty cool. It might have gone up by a couple degrees, but it's barely lukewarm at that. And let's see, I don't know if you can see this, but it's definitely well above the mark that I made earlier. I'm going to set it on a level surface and take another photo, and then we can talk about it. Thanks for watching.